Hi guys, how are you doing today? So we want to unveil another Ophylia on the block. Of course, we know the other Ophylia we have. We have the yellow Ophylia, which comes with a fragrance like a body spray, and then we also have the one that comes in this box too, just a spray bottle. And then we also have the Ophylia Legend. But today we want to unveil another kind of Ophylia, which is Ophylia Fiore. Sounds like a very lovely name. And this is another product from Fragrance World. This perfume is said to be inspired by Paco rabanne Olympea. It is a sensual kind of perfume. It's more like a fruity floral kind of fragrance, more feminine, of course. This is for feminine people, feminine ones. Yeah, okay. So the men can also use this. The men who relate to this kind of perfume, they can also use it as well, but this is more feminine. Okay. And then this perfume, like I had noticed, it's a kind of perfume that exudes happiness. It exudes vitality. But just so we know what we are talking about, let us unbox this perfume and then we are going to see how it really performs. Then we'll begin to talk about the notes we have in this perfume as well as the longevity. We'll also talk about the atomizer, if it's good or not. You will see all of them in here. So if you're looking for a sensual, fruity, floral perfume, this is something for you. It is not very shouty. It is really pretty okay. So let's go ahead with the unboxing process and then we will see how this perfume performs. Fragrance walls are really doing well in terms of trying to mimic the other very niche or designers perfume. They're really doing well to make you still smell absolutely amazing, but then on a budget. So let's unveil. We have unboxed. I need to keep things clean. And let's see how the bottle looked like in the first place. I really love this packaging and the color. It tells you that this is going to be a very sensual perfume. I mean pink. Pink is a lovely color, yeah? Wow, this is a lovely bottle. See how the bottle comes. Very nice. Okay. So this is from Fragrance World, like I said. I love this cap. It's coming out well. So let's test first the atomizer. Then we'll talk about the notes available in this perfume. And then we'll talk about the longevity and where you could wear this perfume to. So the atomizer is great. It's generous. So you wouldn't need to spray really much for you to get them out. So what I noticed first of all is that unlike other perfume, the alcohol is not too much. So I could spray and then, oh, this is too lovely. You should be ready to get this perfume. I mean, I'm not even perceiving it. So I'm not even taking it close to my nose, but I'm perceiving the fragrance already. And I'm picking stuff that are really sweet. I'm picking something really floral. So if you're a floral scent kind of person, this is a good one for you. Okay. This is too good. Oh, okay. So if I perceive this on a lady, I know the lady knows how to make choices. So this is good. The floral notes open very well. And so let's go ahead to, this is really nice. You should get this. I mean, It's really, really nice. The floral notes the notes we have, according to the information I got, the top notes we have are water, jasmine, ginger flower, green mandarin. Okay, although you cannot really pick them one after the other from just perceiving, so that means there's good chemistry in this perfume. But that's what the notes here are. They are really combining well such that you can't pick them one after the other. There's a good chemistry, but it's sweet, it's floral. Like I said, it's a sensual perfume. You just feel happy. If you're sad, just carry this perfume, spray it, and just stay in your comfort zone. So in the middle note, we have the salt and the vanilla. Of course, vanilla is always sweet. People love vanilla. And then on the base note, we have the cashmere wood, the ambergris, and the sandalwood. So the base note is fully loaded, which means this perfume is going to really last for a long time. Okay. So the base notes are the last note you're going to perceive, because the top notes are the ones that you first perceived, and then after a while they go off. Then you begin to pick some of the middle notes and then the base note. So I'm not even beginning to pick the base notes yet, which tells you how good this perfume is. I'm still perceiving the top notes, something sweet. But I believe that when the perfume dies down or dries down, you begin to pick the sandalwood, the ambergris, and the cashmere, which is why this perfume is going to really last long. So I think this perfume is, when I first tried it, I think it gave me a good couple of 6 to 8 hours, okay, on my skin. And if you spray it on your clothes, it's supposed to last you a bit longer, okay? So this perfume should be a good buy for anyone who wants something sensual, something fruity, floral. You should go for this Ophylia. I'm sure this is the kind of perfume you can wear to birthdays. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. But you can wear it to many occasions. You could wear it to weddings, anniversaries, all those kind of events. You can even wear it to church. You can wear it to other functions. It is not going to offend others when you put on this kind of perfume. Some perfume can be offensive, but this one is not something like that. It's going to be really lovely, and people are going to appreciate and compliment you if that's what you want. But if you're someone who doesn't like the compliment, maybe you should stay away from this, because people will definitely, oh, what did you wear? And you tell them, Ophylia, I know Ophylia, but this is smelling different. And you tell them it's Ophylia Fiore. So I mean, guys, I recommend this highly. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it an 8 over 10, because the perfume is good and the bottle is nice. So if you cannot afford the luxury of the niche or the designer's brand, you should go for this. It's too good. It's really too good. So if you like what I just did now, you could just hit the subscription button, turn on your post notification. If there's any other fragrance you'd love us to review, please drop it in the comment section. And if you have used this perfume before, also drop your experience in the comment section, as per the longevity, how you feel, or if you feel different from what I'm trying to express here. Let us know in the comment section, and I will see you when I come up with another content. Love you guys.